pre-painted lip spoiler for this 3 Series. Notice how the spoiler follows the curvature of the trunk lid nicely. The first step for installation is to clean the mounting area of all dirt, oils, and wax. We'll use the Worth Clean Solve Paint Prep Cleaner. This is available in our online store at bavauto.com. Use a clean, soft rag or cloth to apply the cleaner. Here we'll use the Suntara wipes, also offered in our online store. Generously wet the cloth with the cleaner and thoroughly wipe down the mounting area. Finish with a dry cloth to remove any final residue. Try not to touch the mounting area once it has been cleaned. Note the rear edge of the spoiler is designed to closely follow the curve at the edge of the trunk lid. Place the spoiler on the trunk lid and work on aligning it with the rear edge. We'll want the rear edge of the spoiler to match the rear edge of the trunk lid and the ends to be equal distances from the outer edges of the trunk lid itself. Use your fingers and thumbs to feel the relationship and alignment of the spoiler to the trunk lid edge. Be sure the spoiler is centered by measuring the distance from the spoiler's ends to the trunk lid edges. Use a ruler or a tape measure to make your measurements. We like to use a flat ruler as it tends to be more accurate for this purpose. Go back and forth between centering and checking the rear edge alignment. Once you're satisfied with the overall alignment, use painter's tape to mark the spoiler's position on the trunk lid. Use one piece of tape to mark the forward edge of the left and right ends of the spoiler. And use another piece of tape to mark the left and right outer tips of the spoiler. Place another piece of tape along the forward edge of the spoiler. The spoiler is now ready for final installation. The pressure-sensitive adhesive will firmly adhere to the cleaned trunk lid paint. Start by peeling back a couple of inches of the protective strip at one end of the spoiler. Hold the protective strip flat and pulled back over itself to the rear of the car from underneath the spoiler. Carefully align the spoiler with the tape reference marks. Start at the opposite end while holding the exposed adhesive off the trunk lid surface. Align the end with the exposed adhesive. Press the end down gently so the adhesive will adhere to the trunk lid. Double check the alignment and slowly pull the protective strip to expose the adhesive, adhering the spoiler as you go along. Continue to check the spoiler alignment while peeling the protective strip and adhering the spoiler. Press the spoiler to fully activate the pressure-sensitive adhesive. Do this along the whole spoiler. Remove the marking tape. Use a cloth to protect the paint and continue to apply pressure to the spoiler adhesive. Finish the installation by applying wax or detailing spray.